It's 28 degrees out right now. I just got done from, not done at all, on my lunch break from work. On my lunch break. I need this job more than life itself. This job will get financial paid off. This job will be my first good reference on my resume ever. This job will allow me to get my own place, a very nice place. And it's all seasonal. That's what the seasonal job would do for me. The whole reason I left Hertz Car Rental at the airport was because it was the dead of winter and icicles were everywhere and it was a blizzard and it was just... Looked at me on the camera and the whole screen was blue. And I only have one weakness that I know of, and it's the cold. I got here at 8. It's 10 right now. And the past 2 hours have been absolutely agonizing for me. I can't feel my arms. And I've still got like 5 to 6 hours to go. And tomorrow, it's just rainy today and it's 28 degrees. Tomorrow my weather app says tomorrow and the next day it says it's probably gonna be snowing. I really don't want to go and tell Paul that I can't work today, tomorrow, or the next day. I really don't want to tell him I can't work the next 3 days. But every single time I'm in the cold, I can last a little bit, but after my body's just had enough, I will start to bleed to death. I know I'm on my boss Paul. I know I'm on his last straw. I know I'm on my last straw. He was ready to fire me 2 weeks ago. And I talked him out of it. If I go right now and I tell him that I can't work the next 3 days, he knows why, because I told him about my condition and the cold and all that. But because business is business, he might just go that route. It's so stupid. Everything's got a weakness. Why did my weakness have to be one of the 2 most common things on this entire planet? You got hot and you got cold. The 2 most common things on the whole planet. And I just had to be weak to one of them. If it's hot out, I can work hard labor 3 days straight with no meal or drink without getting tired. When it's cold, I won't last. It's unbearable. The cold. Every single winter, I find myself in the hospital 3 times, bleeding to death. Every winter, I go to the hospital almost 3 times, just for me bleeding to death. And what we were just doing just now was the trucks. Which was already agonizing because we're outside in this cold the whole fucking time. Now we're about to go and cut seed the whole rest of the day, the next 5 or 6 hours. And cutting seed is already the worst. And then on top of that, like, it's already the worst. Like, just in general. And now it's about to get 10 times worse because it's also going to be cold while doing it. And look what this job did to my gloves. It is tearing through the fabric like nothing. I'll tell you what. I'll make a good compromise. I'll go over there and I'll try to work. If it gets to the point where I can't bear it any longer, then I'll go tell Paul that I can't work today, tomorrow, or the next day. Alright, so thankfully it's honestly just the wind right now that's killing me. That's why the weather app said that it was 40 out but felt like 28. Because it's the wind. So inside, when we were outside earlier, that's when the nightmare was happening. But now we're inside the warehouse cutting seeds, so because we're inside of a warehouse, the wind ain't really doing anything in there, so it's good in there. Tomorrow it is supposed to snow, though, so I did tell Paul. Obviously, I will come here and I will try to work, but if I just can't bear the cold, please forgive me for if I can't work tomorrow. I hate working in the cold. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. God. I can handle anything on the planet. I've proven this time and time again. I cannot handle the cold. And we got fucking trucks out there that big that we're filling up with potatoes. 8 of them. 8 trucks. Outside. I just told my boss. I was able to push through. We only have like one more truck left, so I can push through for today. But oh my god, snow. I told him I could push through for today. But if it's any worse tomorrow, like if it's a little warmer tomorrow, I can do it. If it's not, I can't do it. I just really didn't want to keep pushing my luck with my boss. But he understands. If I had to describe the pain, because see, everyone experiences the cold, but me, there's like I said, I bleed to death almost 3 times a winter, and I have to go to the hospital. And if I had to describe the pain, it feels like if anything, barely just touches you, if anything just barely touches you, it feels like a stapler on that spot. If nothing's touching you and you're just in the cold, it feels like someone is it feels like your flesh is being slowly peeled off. And I'm out here for 8 hours dealing with that. Oh, it's like a fucking saw trap, man. Well, it's the next day, and I didn't have to make my boss understand shit, because it turns out it's just cloudy out right now, which means it's just a little chilly. It's not raining, it's not snowing. It's all good. And we've only got 2 trucks left. That third one that you want to see is now it's full of potatoes, that's why I have the tarp over it. But those 2, we only got 2 out of the 8 trucks left, and then we're gone. So it's going great.
Do you know what I said? I gotta get the dinero, the cash, and the bread. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm down to do the do just as long as it's paying.